Good morning student, I am Shivani and I will teach you class SST subject. Last video we discussed about the earth, our home, and as you know that I said that in the next video we will learn about the rotation and revolution of the earth. So before going on the topic rotation and revolution, I just want to remind you that what we learned in our last video, that we learned about the earth, that what is earth. Earth is a planet, and what is the shape of the earth? Then the shape of the earth is like a ball. We also learn about the 8 planets name, that is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Jupiter, Uranus, Mars, Saturn and Neptune. So Earth is the only planet on which life is possible, and it is the only one that has life on it, life of all types like plants and animals, because of our planet has water and atmosphere. So like other planets of the solar system, the earth moves in 2 different ways. One is called rotation and the another is called revolution. So what is rotation? You can see the picture. This is the picture of rotation of earth. So rotation is the movement of the earth on its own axis. So the earth turns around a slightly inclined imaginary line that joins the 2 poles called the axis. That join 2 poles, that is called axis. This is the 2 poles. It is not really, it is an imaginary line, and this one is called North Pole and this one is called South Pole. So do you know how long it takes to make a complete turn? Yes, it takes 24 hours to make a complete turns or one movement, one rotation. So the moment of rotation causes day and night. Due to this moment of rotation, the day and night is happens. So this is the reason of rotation. So now let's see the moment of revolution. What is revolution? You can see in this picture, this is earth and this is sun. So when this earth goes around the sun in an elliptical orbit, that is called revolution. Earth goes around the sun in an elliptical orbit, that is called revolution. Do you know how long it takes to complete a revolution around the sun? Well, it takes 365 days, exactly 1 year. Means in 1 year this earth make a complete revolution around the sun. So this revolution movement is what make the spring with its colorful flowers, hot summer full of fun, and the autumn when leaves fall from the trees, and the cold and frosty winter. Means this revolution is the reason. This is the reason of this different season. So the 2 kind of movements that earth makes, that is rotation, and second one is revolution. Rotation is which is the earth turning around itself, causing day and night, which lasts exactly 24 hours. And revolution, which is the earth traveling around the sun, which takes 365 days. So once again I want to repeat you the 2 movements of the earth. First one is rotation. Rotation means which is the earth turning around itself. This is called rotation. North pole to south pole, from north to west. This is North Pole and South Pole. And revolution is that which is the earth traveling around the sun on its elliptical orbit, and it takes 365 days to complete a round around the sun. and this revolution cause the seasons, different season, and this rotation cause the day and night. So hope you understood that what I want to teach you. Today's video I make you understand about the two movements of the earth, that is rotation and another is revolution. This is revolution. So in rotation, which is exact earth turning around itself, and in the revolution the earth goes around the sun in an elliptical orbit. This rotation causes day and night, and this revolution causes different seasons. So with this I want to give you some homework, that what is rotation and what is revolution, and which movement of rotation cause day and night. This is your homework, and in the next video just I want to tell you that you have to prepare it, what I teach you today. This question, what is rotation, what is revolution, and which movement of rotation cause day and night, and hope that you understood it properly. I have shown the pictures also. This is the season, different season. This is the revolution picture, how this earth goes around the sun on its elliptical orbit, and this is the day and night. This is the cause due to this rotation of earth. So with this I had given you few questions also, what is rotation, what is revolution, and which movement of rotation cause day and night. Hope you do this homework with the help of your parents and with the help of this video. And in the next video I will teach you about the solar system. So hope you enjoy it, you learn it something, and till goodbye.